Anyhow, there's an old Carter family song called "The Birds Were Singing of You." Last night the pale moon was shining. Last night when all was still, I wandered alone in sadness out among the woodland hills. I heard the birds were singing out among the trees and views, and all the birds, my darling, we're singing of you. We're singing of you, my love. We're singing of you. And all the birds, my darling, we're singing of you.